Getting someone to spill the beans isn't as complicated as you might think. Here's 3 persuasion methods to get the truth out of anyone. 1. The no consequence method. Usually, people lie or hide the truth because they're worried of what our reaction will be. If you reassure them that you won't get angry and there won't be any major consequences if they tell the truth, they'll be more likely to open up to you. To do this, look them straight in the eyes to establish connection, trust, and sincerity. Then tell them that you don't want any trouble or that you won't cause any problems. Promise them that whatever they say, you won't judge them and you'll understand their situation, even forgive them if they did something that could upset or hurt you. 2. The put them in your shoes method. Some people may not reveal what they really think, because they don't want to contradict your decision. So what you could do is put them in your shoes. Let's say you're a manager, you and your subordinates went shopping for some prizes for a special event. You've set your eyes on some items, but you're doubting if they also like the prizes as much as you do, or if they're just afraid to disagree with you. Even if they said they like the products you've chosen, you could further ask, what would you have bought if you were in my shoes? This question does not dismiss or overshadow their opinion that they like what you've selected, but you still get the answer you're really looking for. 3. The how to make it the best method. Sometimes, people treat you with such high regards that they don't want to one-up what you've already done. But there are times when you really need their ideas, especially when they're proficient at the thing you're asking them about. So what you could do is ask their input on how to make it the best version of itself. Let's say you want to know if your friend likes the cake you baked. You know your friend is a baking enthusiast, but you also know that she's too agreeable with you and doesn't speak her mind much. You could ask her, do you like the cake I baked? If she said, yes, it was heavenly. You could ask her again, what can I do to make it the best cake ever? Now she might offer suggestions that could help improve your baking, without fear of outshining you. Getting the truth is an important social skill, but detecting lies is just as vital. Watch this video next to discover one unexpected question to ask to know if someone is lying.